underway. Doligon inside. Doligon able to score.
So dito in the previous matchup against
Ganda ng pasa.
that was a good pick and roll, good dive by Lopez.
Wala eh.
Because you can't beat what you can't catch. It's as simple as that, right? So if Pa seems to have that speed advantage against every guard,
Alfred against Bobby B.
Oh.
Cedillo, confidence there.
just trying to stay in front, but unfortunately the extra passing of Basilan has created a lot of good shot opportunities. While in the meantime, Doligo just taking matters into his own hands. He's got 7 points in the ball game. Is your friend.
Si masubok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Here's Cedillo for 3.
Pero gusto mo kasi yung storya ng underdog eh, mas gutom eh,
Oh,
di ba? Yung sa
ayun.
North, makita mo, big names ang nandun eh.
Alam mo, nung I think there was one season, Blanquesa.
Ang crucial dyan para sa kanya is yung outside shooting niya, di ba? Kasi pagka binakdownan ka, kung
Actually, walang ano eh.
Walang
The new rule, the rule that we're gonna implement.
this is what you want. You're running if you're Manila. Force turnovers. Wait for Basilan to make a mistake, but he's got 16 points. Oh, good no-look pass there.
Toto now with 19 in the ball game.
1-on-1 at the top. No good extra pass.
Inside, Salaveria for 2.
Fast break again for Manila.
Wow, what? Joe. Hindi na pumasok ang layup. Toto steps out to the 3-point line. Yes, sir. 22. Mutuano will shoot and gets it to fall.
Remember, itong Manila gave up 16 3-pointers to Sarangani kung saan natalo sila ng 21 points.
Wala silang ano dito eh. Wala sa problema sa ring dito. Sanay na sanay sila sa court na to.
Si San Juan, eh, no?
Dito talaga. Dito nahubog yung mga karil nila.
Parang medyo matigas nga yung ring dito eh. Alam kong papunta naman doon yung usapan natin eh.
Okay dito.
Alam ko naman ganun yung leading ng conversation natin. Kamusta naman ang court dito? Alam kong hari ka din ng San Juan Arena, ng Phil Oil, Cedel.
I'm sure as a parent.
Ako as a parent, medyo madami-dami na ang both UAAPN and CAA were played here in the juniors division.
Ganda naman ang parang
Just a
ano
good
eh,
feel
parang
of the
magaling,
court, correct.
magaling ano, alam mo yung
Good court sense eh.
oo, magaling dumiskarte. Ito magaling dumiskarte ito si Mark Doligon. It's Owens, takes it in. Kick out to Doligon. 2 seconds. Doligon, that's a tough shot.